Hello students, myself Sanjeev Pal, Assistant Professor of EE Department of Regent Education Research Foundation Group of Institutions. Today I will discuss another question of 2023 of electromagnetic field theory. Here you see the question is given. This is under question number 4. Strength of the question, that is the marks will be 5. What is given? Transform A is right in such a way y-ax minus x-ay plus z-az into cylindrical coordinate. Okay, so what we have to do, আমাদের করতে হবে যে এই যে ভেক্টরটা রয়েছে সিলিন্ড্রিক্যাল কোঅর্ডিনেটে ট্রান্সফর্ম। প্রথমে একটা ধারণা, সিলিন্ড্রিক্যাল কোঅর্ডিনেটে ট্রান্সফর্ম করতে বলেনি, সিলিন্ড্রিক্যাল কোঅর্ডিনেট ভেক্টরে ট্রান্সফর্ম করতে বলেছেন। কিভাবে বুঝবে? How you will understand that here the a equal to this, so this is the presentations of our vector in Cartesian or rectangular coordinates. So into the cylindrical coordinate vector transformation is needed. So and this is a very important discussion. Okay, first what we have to do, first recall what will be the coordinate transformation formula. Suppose rho and phi is given. As we know, the cylindrical coordinate systems, the coordinates are rho, phi and z. As we know, the name is the rho is the radius of the cylinder, phi is the angular displacement, and z is the height of the cylinder. As we know, the x, y, z in the Cartesian coordinate systems, what are the length? So here x we can replace by rho cos phi, y equal to rho sin phi, and z equal to z. You can write. So this is the coordinate conversion formula. Coordinate conversion formula, and this is the formula set. এটা তোমরা জানো। Next, if we change the unit vectors, the transformation of the unit vectors, in place of ax, ay and az, these are the representations of the unit vector in Cartesian or rectangular coordinate. You can replace by the cylindrical coordinates, cylindrical unit vector representations. So in place of this you can write this and this and this, and from where it has come, কোত্থেকে এটা পেলে? একটা matrix আছে, matrix from where you can transfer the unit vector from one unit vector to another unit vectors, and this matrix will give you the results. So don't need to remember, you just remember this formula, it will better and it will reduce your time, it will not require so much memories. Just remembers what will be the representations of this. Similar way, here now the formula is we get these two formula sets, this and this, and you know the formula. This the question is that just you place in place of y you write rho sin phi, ax you write cos phi a phi minus cos phi a rho minus sin phi a rho. Just place it over here. Here it is given in two parts. Okay, here is given in two parts, and you just place it, then you just multiply, গুণ করে দাও, বার করে দাও bracket থেকে, open it the bracket, you will read the result, and you see this here, this part will cancel out. Oh, rest of the part will be here. So here you see, here is the formula, here is the status of the things. Okay, so this part will cancel, so it will give 0, and here the a five parts is there. You just common row and common a phi. Okay, what will you see that the sine square phi and cos square phi will be in the bracket, within the bracket this will be if we take a minus common নিয়ে নিলে sin square plus cos square phi will become 1, so it will become minus rho, and this will remain constant as before. So what will be the form? Here this part will be appear, and if you take a, this will be the actual representations. Now it is the coordinates, and it is a vector where it is representations in the cylindrical coordinate. So cylindrical coordinate এটা আমাদের representation হলো। তাহলে কোশ্চেনটা আমাদের কি ছিল? This was the question. It is in cylinder, it was in the Cartesian coordinates. Now you can convert it is in cylindrical coordinates. তা স্টুডেন্টস, তাহলে আমরা এখানে শিখতে পেলাম যে if we have a Cartesian coordinates representations, then you can convert to a cylindrical coordinates representations, and this will be the steps. ওকে, বাড়িতে ঠিক এর উল্টোটা করো। বাড়িতে এই টাইপের অঙ্ক তোমরা স্ফেরিক্যাল কোঅর্ডিনেট সিস্টেমের জন্য করো। আমার ভিডিও লেকচারে অলরেডি এই কনভার্সন ম্যাট্রিক্স এগুলো সব দেওয়া রয়েছে, সেগুলো ফলো করতে পারো। ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং কমেন্টস করতে ভুলবে না। থ্যাংক ইউ।